Hello friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video, let's talk to you about how to disable file backup in Google Photos app on your device. Please don't forget, dear friends, before watching this video, put your like, subscribe to our channel for sure, and also write your comments. So let us get started. And if you previously enabled on your device to copy your various media files in the Google Photos app, but you may have changed your mind, saw that it was taking up a lot of space or whatever other reasons, now you don't want backup in Google Photos, then it is very easy to disable it. To do this, find and open Google Photos on your device, then tap on your Google image at the top. Next, select the backup option. Tap on it. After that, you'll just need to click on the button to turn off the backup. This way, you will stop the process. If you suddenly want to delete various files that were previously copied to your Google Photos, then you can open your web browser, pause, then go to photos.google.com, and thus here you will be able to highlight and delete various of your photos and videos that you have taken earlier. This way, permanently they will be deleted from your Google Photos. This is the way you can quickly and easily, dear friends, disable Google Photos app backup on your device. I really hope you found the video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give your likes, and also write your comments, friends. See you soon.